Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
And if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I treat her hair once she has had her hair silk pressed. She is very upset because we had to get up early Saturday morning and do this, so she is hot as fish grease, y'all. She is bad. Her Saturday morning, that good sleep was ruined to get her hair done. But as you can see, guys, I'm spraying water on her hair, and you see how the water beads are sitting on top of her hair. She doesn't have any products in her hair because her hair is more on the low porosity side. It's harder for liquids and products to penetrate her hair. Now, what I have to do is I have to work it in with water, as you can see there, and then I'm going to separate her hair, spray even more water on her hair, and work the water in as much as I can. Then I'm going to apply TM Hair Product Smooth Through Detangler on her hair. Now, the detangler has its own moisturizing benefits. So what it's going to do is it's going to help her hair revert back to its natural state faster. This is not a reverting cream, but what it does is it gives your hair the moisture that it needs, that allows your hair to revert back to its natural state. If your hair is damaged, heat damaged, it's not going to make it curly again. So I don't want you to think that. But what it will do is when your hair is, let me back up. When you silk press your hair, you remove all of the moisture from the hair. So when it's time to add the moisture back into the hair, that's what the Smooth Through Detangler does. It adds the moisture back to her hair. And I wanted to do this in real time. And as you can see, once I added the Smooth Through Detangler back to her hair, her curls instantly started to pop. Whereas with the water, it takes longer. So the Smooth Through Detangler allows the hair to revert back faster because it has its own moisturizing benefits. Now, you guys, you can use this on wigs, clip-ins, extensions to revitalize a wig, to rejuvenate a wig. If you have a wig that's old and matted, it is a detangler, so it would detangle a human hair wig, but it would also give life back to the wig. So it would give it shine, it would bring life back to the wig. So not only can you use this on your hair, you can use this on your children's hair, and you can use it on your wigs, your clip-in. If you're wearing a weave and it's starting to mat up and you want to extend the life of the weave a little while longer, you can use this detangler as a deep conditioner on the weave hair and your hair, but just make sure you rinse it completely because it is not a leave-in. You guys, this is not a leave-in. I get a lot of questions asking whether they can leave this in your hair. No, this is not a leave-in. This is a detangler that is used as a deep conditioner. As you can see, I'm working around to the other side. I'm following the same steps. And I'm going to do her hair in another video, but I really wanted to show you guys what her hair looks like after I've silk pressed it, because I get a lot of questions asking, does my daughter suffer heat damage? And as you can see, no, she does not have heat damage. But let me just tell you, if you silk pressed your hair like on a weekly basis or bi-weekly basis, nothing is going to stop your hair from losing its curl elasticity or possibly suffering heat damage, because those are two different things. We oftentimes confuse the loss of curl elasticity with heat damage. Damage is just that your hair is damaged, but that's a whole nother video. I'll do a whole nother video on that. But what I wanted to show you guys was how her hair reverts back faster, her curls snap back faster when I use the Smooth Through Detangler on her hair, because it's adding moisture to her hair at a faster rate. Now I'm going to rinse this out and show you what her hair looks like when the detangler rinse from her hair. I'm not going to rinse it completely, but I'm going to rinse it out good enough for you to see what her hair look like, because then I'm going to wash it, deep condition it, and then style it, but that will be done in another video. I just wanted to show you guys what I do, my process of treating their hair after a silk press, because I've gotten a lot of questions on that. And as you can see, I rub it on her edges and everything because I want everything to be moisturized. And this is what her hair looks like when it is completely detangled. Her hair isn't dirty, so I can just co-wash her hair. I can rinse this out and just cleanse her hair because her hair isn't dirty. She just had it silk pressed, so it's not dirty as in if you have crochet braids or braids and you have like lint build up and things like that in your hair. It's just that her hair was silk pressed and now it's just time to wash it and treat her hair and do whatever's necessary. Now the detangler has been rinsed from her hair, and this is what her natural hair's texture, her natural curl pattern. This is what her hair looks like. And as you can see, her curls have snapped back. She does not have any straggly loose strings that would indicate anything like loss of curl elasticity or heat damage. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be doing another video on how I styled her hair. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.